In the year 3000, the world had changed dramatically. Skyscrapers soared into the sky and technology had reached unimaginable heights. Yet, in the midst of this great advancement, there was one place untouched by modern progress: Eldoria. Eldoria was a forgotten land, where time seemed to stand still. Its people lived unaware of the dangers lurking within the shadows of their world. Despite their advancements in many areas, there remained a strange force that kept them isolated from the rest of the world. In the small village on the outskirts of Eldoria lived Jack, a curious young man who had always felt that the land around him held secrets. Raised on tales of forgotten legends and hidden treasures, Jack had spent his youth dreaming of adventure and the possibility of discovering the truth behind the mysterious force that kept Eldoria locked away. One evening, as Jack wandered through the forest near the village, something unusual caught his attention. Among the thick trees and the damp soil, he noticed a peculiar glow emanating from behind a large rock. Curiosity piqued, Jack carefully approached, his heart racing with excitement. As he moved closer, he found an old, weathered book half buried in the ground. The book's cover was faded, its pages crumbling at the edges. Yet, as Jack picked it up, he felt a strange surge of energy flow through him, as if the book had been waiting for him all along. The symbols etched on the cover were unfamiliar, but somehow he knew that this book was important. Opening the pages, Jack discovered that the book contained ancient writings, written in a language he could not understand. However, as he read the words, they began to resonate within him, as if the meanings were being whispered into his mind. The book spoke of Eldoria's past, of powerful beings and a long-lost realm hidden beneath. With the book in his hands, Jack couldn't shake the feeling that his life was about to change forever. The ancient words, though cryptic, seemed to guide him toward a hidden truth. He knew he had to find the place the book described, a forgotten temple deep within the heart of Eldoria. Over the next few days, Jack studied the book carefully, memorizing the symbols and trying to decipher its meaning. The more he studied, the clearer it became that the temple was the key to unlocking Eldoria's secrets. But finding it wouldn't be easy. The forest surrounding the temple was thick with dangers, creatures of the dark that had long been banished from the world of men. Despite the warnings in the book, Jack felt an overwhelming urge to seek out the temple. He couldn't ignore the call any longer. He packed supplies for his journey, and early one morning he set off toward the forest, following the path outlined in the book. The journey was long and treacherous, but Jack pressed on. As Jack stepped closer to the temple, he could feel a strange energy in the air, as if the very ground beneath him was alive. The whispers from the book seemed to echo in his mind, urging him to enter. With a deep breath, Jack pushed open the massive stone doors. The temple's interior was vast, its walls covered with intricate carvings of ancient symbols and mysterious figures. Inside, the atmosphere was thick with dust and decay, yet there was something captivating about the place, something that drew Jack further into its depths. The air grew colder as he ventured deeper, and he began to feel an unsettling presence around him. The whispers from the book grew louder, almost guiding his steps. At the center of the temple, he found a pedestal upon which lay an ornate stone tablet. As Jack approached, the whispers reached a crescendo, and the ground trembled beneath his feet.